What is up, guys? So today I'm going to be teaching you guys something really quick and simple. It has to do with Lightroom and your presets. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sync your Lightroom classic presets with your Lightroom mobile app. So that means that you can access your presets from your phone, your tablet, basically on the go, and you don't have to be by your computer. This is super useful because if you use Lightroom Classic, you probably already have presets that you made or that you bought that you usually use to edit your photos. Makes it a lot faster. It gives you a pretty good starting point for your colors, and then you can fine tune things from there. Before, it was really hard and kind of confusing. The other day I figured out a really easy way to do this. All you need are two things. It's Lightroom Classic and the Lightroom cloud-based app, which you can download from the Creative Cloud suite. My name is Andrew, but call me Salcedo, and let's get right into my computer. I'm gonna do a screen share and show you guys exactly how to do it on my desktop. Peace. Okay, we have Lightroom up here. This is just a random picture here of my iPad and everything. You're gonna see your presets on the side. I have mine, which are Cine Salcedo. You have Salcedo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, black and white. And then I have a reset, which just takes off my preset. And then I have some little adjustments. If I want more saturation or warmth, I can click this and it does a very specific increment that I can add. So basically these are your presets. Now if you want to add these into your Lightroom, what you're gonna do is right click them, click export group, and then you can put them anywhere, let's say desktop. It's gonna export it. The Lightroom that I use normally, you're gonna see LRC, which says Adobe Lightroom Classic, and then the one that we're gonna be using to import it is Adobe Lightroom, which is the web-based, cloud-based version that you get on your phone and iPad as well. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into the editing options here, and then at the bottom left, these little tabs right here, you're gonna click on these. These sliders are gonna show editing. You're gonna click these sliders on the top right here, right above the cropping tool. It says edit, and you're gonna go all the way to the bottom and it says presets right next to versions. You're gonna click on presets. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click these three little dots. That's basically the settings or options tab. And you're gonna click on import presets right here. We're gonna go ahead and click import, and we're gonna go to our desktop where we saved those presets, which were going to be right over, which are right here. So it's going to show our exported presets, which are here. They are compressed in a zip folder. You see right here, Cine Salcedo.zip. So we're just going to go back into the desktop here, and then we're going to uncompress them. So now we have a folder. So these right here are going to be our presets. So we're going to go back to Lightroom. We're gonna go back and click on import presets, and we're gonna click that folder, and then we're gonna click all the presets here that we want to import and click import. So now what you're gonna have is it says, and it has your presets here that are imported. And what you're gonna make sure is on the top right, you're gonna make sure that it says it's synced to your devices. If you have Adobe Creative Cloud, it does have a syncing feature. You're gonna make sure that it is syncing right here. And then when you go onto your phone, you're going to see the presets there. Okay, now that we're on our phone and we open up Lightroom, you can go ahead and scroll all the way to the right. You're going to see presets. Click on that. Now, if you go back on the presets to the list view where it lists all the presets and the categories and folders that you have, you're going to see right there that my Cine Salcedo presets are there. So it has all of them from Salcedo 1 all the way to reset. Now I can go to any photo and quickly use my presets, the same ones I use on my computer. That way I can keep a consistent look with my computer and my phone photos. Well, that wraps it up for today. This was a super simple and easy tutorial. It's very useful if you edit photos on your computer and you kind of want to get the same look. I use it all the time for when I'm taking pictures of objects on my phone. I want the same look that I use for my feed, my Instagram feed. Syncing your Lightroom presets across your computer and your phone will allow you to make sure that your colors are synchronized, even if you're just taking the photos on your phone and editing it there. Well, that is going to be it for me today. It is getting really hot in here, so I'm probably gonna go and take a cold shower. But like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.